I've never had a middle part before, and like I like it. Like, I thought that, you know, with my round face and, you know, like my chubby cheeks and things like that, like, it will not look right, but I legit like it. So if you guys want to see how I installed this hair and how I styled it, you guys please stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. I suck at it. One time and in love, one time. You want to start off with the freshly washed and blow dried hair. The products you're going to be needing is a rat tail comb. You're going to also need some elastic ponytail holders. You will need some clips. You can use small duckbill clips, or you can use the longer ones, which I'm going to show you both here. You will also need some black little rubber bands, not the plastic ones, but the more sturdier ones, just for your leave out, to put it out of place. For my leave out, I'm going to have about 1.5 inches in the center and about 1/2 inch on my edge area. This is my simple braiding pattern. I have two anchor braids, one going directly around my leave out in the middle and one going around the side, and I have 3 big braids in the center. You're going to need some thread. You're also going to need 2 needles. Now here you see me going under the braid and under the unit and pulling as tight as I can so it can be close to my leave out and not a gap. Okay, so here I'm going to be using my Babyliss Nano Titanium Flat Iron. I have it on 40. I'm not sure what the direct degree is, but it's 40 on the flat iron. You ain't the only one. You hate the fact that you walked the dream when they sold you one. And you love your friends, but somebody should have told you something to save you. I'm arrested by the night. Only you can set me free. Just see, but I'm not ashamed. I'm exactly where I wanted to be. Yeah. I leave the door open wide. Hope that you would sneak inside. Just is there not a freaky shit running my mind that I can't say that I know I can demonstrate, and I can let my body explain. I know I can demonstrate, so I will make it simple and plain. You just need to come through. Here's what I'll do. And for my edges, I'm using some Silk Element Straight Edges Edge Control. I do not straighten my edges just because it grips better with the edge control without it being straightened. I'm also going to be using some Gorilla Snot in the green bottle. It's a level 9 hold, and I just use about dime size on each side. I'm going to also use a toothbrush just to lay the edges down, girl. Slick them edges, okay?
Okay, so this is the finished product here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section bar. And I thank you for watching the video. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. See you later, dolls.